Do not give your children a single penny. It is one of the worst things you can actually do. If you were to give your child a decent amount of wealth that is in their personal name, so they hold legal title and they hold beneficial title, it exposes them to a numerous number of threats. And they include things like divorce settlement claim, right? Heaven forbid they divorce. 50% of that inheritance is gone. They may not be as good with money as you are. 100% of their inheritance could be gone. They may have alcohol problems, drug abuse problems, which a few of my clients have had, and they don't want their child to receive sizable inheritances. What do you do in those situations? Then you've got things like generational inheritance tax. And that is where you've got inheritance tax that is charged at 40% on the wealth that cascades from one generation to the next generation. Essentially a hidden tax. Now, if you can solve inheritance tax at the first stage, at the first generation, maybe solve is the wrong word, but if you only have to pay it at that first generation point of view because you haven't been able to do anything else, at least structure your affairs in such a way your future lineage for at least 125 years won't need to pay it. And the way to actually do that is to put in place strategic planning during your lifetime. And that includes, it can include trust-based structures, and it can include family investment companies too, or a combination of both. So yeah, don't give any of your children a single penny. Pass everything ideally into trusts and appoint professional trustees along with lay trustees to manage the underlying assets.